money back after the fight.
Everybody asking, where's my money? No refund. We got to know no refund. You get what you get. Let's go.
Fight a sip-your.
There's too much distance between you guys. I don't want no more distance like this. I want more end fighting. Everybody in here can jab and throw too, I'm pretty sure. End fighting is where it's at. Good, that's right.
Good uppercut, yep.
We don't want to Kelly pass it.
Come on, Miles, you're putting me to sleep. Combination, Miles. Combination, Miles, combination.
Let's go, you're alright.
Dance around, Miles. If you need to recover, dance around.
That's right, don't put your head up like that. Oh,
come on, Miles, dance around. Protect yourself.
Focus.
Come on. Best defense is offense, buddy. Come on, throw some punches. There you go, go, go. Don't stop. What are you stopping for? Just to give him time to reset so he can beat you up? Go ahead, keep doing that. Come on, Miles.
There you go, that's it.
Go.
How about the right hand right there?
Oh yeah. There you go. Good job. Good shot, Moscow. Combinations, Miles. Good work, guys.